What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
I want to see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
Okay, so today I have some more earbuds for you, truly wireless earbuds. These are from a company called TOZO. These are the TOZO T10s. Now, the reason why I picked these up, I was on Amazon looking around for some more earbuds to review for you guys on my channel, and I came across these. At the time of this video, this product right here has over 36,000 reviews on Amazon, and about 60% of those reviews are 5-star reviews. So I figured any product that has that many reviews, consumers gotta love it, and it has to be making a little bit of noise. So I went ahead and picked these up, and right now these are going for $40 on Amazon or $50 on the website, and as always I'll have the links in the description down below. Okay, so these earbuds, they come in 7 different colors. You have your white, your gray. I do have the gray ones right here, so those are the ones you'll be seeing. Purple, I believe that is, black, yellow, pink, and green. But on Amazon I only found, is that yellow or khaki? I think that's khaki. On Amazon I only saw the white, the black, the blue, the gray, and the khaki. So if you do pick these up from Amazon, those are the color options available at the time that I taped this video. And on the actual TOZO website, I think they offer maybe the white, the black, the blue, and the gray. All the other colors that I mentioned before aren't available on the website. So a little bit more options on Amazon as opposed to the TOZO website. Okay, so quickly going around this box, on the front side you do see TOZO at the top with their website. It has the model number, the T10. These are IPX8 waterproof. So the earbuds are IPX8 waterproof, and also the charging case is IPX waterproof, which I'll get into more specific details about the charging case in a little bit. It shows the items that come in here. You got the case, you got the earbuds, you got 4 different ear tips, small, medium, large, and an extra large. You also have a lanyard and a charging cable, and the charging cable is a micro USB, so you don't get USB Type-C, but they're only $40, so you can't expect too much from these. And that's pretty much it. I mean, they have a little bit of specs on the backside, but I will go ahead and get further into that when I'm actually talking about these earbuds. Okay, so inside the box, which you'll get on top, you do get a free year warranty if you activate this warranty within the first 14 days. You also have wearing steps, and then you get a user manual which talks about the button functions, the battery life, and various things like that. And here they are, people. You have the charging case on the bottom, you have the earbuds in the middle, and you have your accessories on top. So inside the accessory box, which you'll get, you'll have your USB micro charging cable. You'll also have your lanyard as well, and you have the various different ear tips right here. This case is a little bit bigger than what I was expecting, but the nice thing about this case is that you do have wireless charging on this case. On the back side, you do have this waterproof flap that you do have to flip up, and it is a little bit of a pain to open up. This is where the micro USB charging port is, but I expect to have a little bit of tough time opening this up since it is rated as IPX8 waterproof. On the inside, you have this door that's held together with 3 magnets, so you don't have to worry about the door opening up at any time. You also have 4 indicator lights on the inside of the charging case, and that indicates how much battery life you have left in increments of 25%. And so for the battery life on these, you do get around 4 hours of playback time with the earbuds when they're fully charged, and this charging case will give you additional 14 hours for a total of around 18 hours of playback time before these are ran completely dead. This charging case is a completely plastic design, and you do have this hole right here for the lanyard, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right now. The lanyard comes in one very long string, looks like a shoestring, and you just have to weave it through the clamp on the end of it to make it work. So okay, so I was wrong. It's not really too much of a lanyard. It's more like a necklace type deal we got going on right here, so that you can wrap this around your neck, and then you can adjust this to any size that you want, so that if you want it actually smaller than that, and maybe you can cut off the excess right here. So the earbuds, they are completely plastic design as well, but you do have kind of like a silicone material on the inside that's touching your ears. On the outside of the earbuds, you do have your labels left and right, and the multifunction buttons, they are push buttons, so there is not a touch surface here. And also looks like you do have your microphone hole on the outside right next to your indicator light, and I believe that's it. There are no more microphone holes on here, so I don't know how that's going to hold up to phone calls, but hey, it has 36,000 reviews on here. For the button functions on these earbuds, they're exactly the same for the left and the right, so it doesn't matter which one you use, you're going to get the same results. You have one click to play and pause your music, one click to end and answer phone calls. If you double tap on either earbud, it will redial the last phone number that you just called.
What the hell did you just say?
What? Why would you have that as an option? I don't get that. If you have a reason why TOZO did that, go ahead and leave a comment down below, because I would think that a double click will go to the next track and you have a triple click to go to the previous track, which is kind of weird to me, and that's something I do not like about these earbuds. So if you do get these and you want to change tracks with these, it's not happening. And then also a long press for about 2 seconds will reject your phone calls. I mean, TOZO, if you watch this, I don't know how you did on your other earbuds, but for these, why did you make the double click a redial option? That makes no sense to me. Okay, so this also claims to be a one-step pairing process. So let me go ahead and test that out. And it says just take them out of the case, go to your Bluetooth settings, and hit the TOZO name. So let me go ahead and try that out right now. So take them out of the case. Since this is Bluetooth 5.0, once you take them out of the case, you'll hear the right one cut on and the left one cut on, and they will say connected to each other first. It will automatically pop up in your settings. You click on the TOZO T10R, and as soon as it connects, it gives you probably about a 2-3 second audible beep. It says pairing successful, second device connected. And so why it's saying second device is simply because your mobile device is your second device and the left earbud is the first device. So that's that simple one-step pairing process. They didn't lie about that. So shouts out to TOZO for making that so easy, because I know when Bluetooth 5.0 first came out, people were having problems with pairing properly to earbuds with Bluetooth 5.0 on lower end earbuds like these. I wouldn't say lower end in quality, but definitely lower end in price. So now that these are paired, let me go ahead and test out the sound quality on these. Okay. Okay, so after doing the sound quality check on here, I mean, damn! I understand why there are so many 5-star reviews on these $40 earbuds. I mean, TOZO, I apologize about criticizing your button functions, because you make up for it on the sound quality on these $40 earbuds. I'm telling you people, if you're in the market for new truly wireless earbuds, these right here, you will not be disappointed when it comes to the sound quality. You got crystal clear highs. I mean, I did not expect something like this from a product that doesn't cost as much. Crystal clear highs. The mids could be improved just a little bit, and then you get a good amount of bass, not too overpowering. This is probably not for you bass heads out there, but you'll be satisfied with the bass if you do pick these up, in my opinion. You are able to listen to one earbud at a time, and it's only the right one. You put the right one back inside the case, they will both cut off, but if you put the left one inside the case, you can still listen to the right one. The call quality, it shocked me as well. First of all, as you know, if you've been here before, pet peeve of mine, if earbuds aren't in stereo when you're taking phone calls, I'm not continuing the test. I just shut it down completely, because I have no understanding why in 2020 a company will make earbuds and want to put phone calls in stereo, but these are in stereo, so you can just forget about all that noise I just talked about. Phone calls in stereo, the phone quality when you're talking to someone. So normally when I have these in and I'm listening to music at work and I get a phone call, I answer my phone on these and I'm my voice goes down because I don't know, I just have a little bit of anxiety about people hearing my phone call, especially if it's a personal call. And I was taking a phone call on these earlier. They were able to hear me just fine, no ambient noise. I mean, very little ambient noise was getting through. I was able to talk at a normal talking level without having to raise my voice, and it just worked. The call quality on here, very good. Sound quality on here, very good. Okay, so my last test, I tested out the latency on these, and the worst app that I have probably latency is YouTube. Went on YouTube, no latency whatsoever. Went on Netflix, went on Amazon Prime Video, went on Disney Plus, went on Apple TV Plus, no latency at all. So you get great sound quality from $40 earbuds, you get really good call quality, and you get no latency. The earbuds are comfortable. They might stick out just a little bit too much for some people, but they're good money, to be honest with you. Like I said earlier, if you're in the market to try out some new earbuds, or you just want to get some new earbuds, get these right here. Please try these out. And if you don't like them, just send them back. They are only $40 on Amazon, like I said before. And I do not think that you'll be disappointed when it comes to these earbuds. And that's all I got, man. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. If you found this video to be informational in the slightest bit possible, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Even if you didn't, smash the subscribe button anyways. Click the bell icon so you get notifications when I drop my latest tech videos. TOZO T10s, truly wireless earbuds are a go for sure. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.